Hello friend, this is Sudhir again in front of you with the topic reward. Yes, this topic reward, exactly what is meaning, when should given and whom it should given. So such kind of the points we will discuss in this seminar, in this sessions. Now guys, today first I'm just going to let you know about that exactly what is reward. So here I mentioned, you can see that it is given for good performance. Yes, whenever any person, either employee or any person, a friend who will do the good performance, they will get the reward. Reward, it itself shows the positivity. It itself shows that something good, means you did the task better than others. That's why it is given. So reward is just like an appreciation which is given to the person who completed the task within the time and with full of enthusiasm. And shows that yes, the person, he completed the task in good manner. Clear? So this is the way of that is a reward. So reward itself, it's an appreciation which is always given to that person who completed the task in good manner. Now I'm just going to let you know about that types of reward. How many types of reward? Okay, so there are two types of reward, guys. Just pay attention here. That is the two types of reward is the tangible rewards and intangible rewards. Yes, two types of reward. If you want to write down, so you can write down here. That is a tangible reward and intangible reward. Now, what is the characteristic of the tangible reward? Which reward will say that it is a tangible and which reward will say that it is intangible? So for that, first we should know about the characteristic of the tangible reward and characteristic of the intangible reward. So guys, for your kind information, I mentioned here that is in a very simple manner. You can easily identify that which is tangible reward and which is intangible reward. So first we will go for the tangible reward. Which reward we will say that is a tangible reward? So for tangible reward, it is the characteristic. Here you can see that it can see or touch, means that reward which you can see, which you can touch, that is called as a tangible reward. It is the characteristic of the tangible. The things which you can see and touch, that is called as a tangible. And tangible reward, the things, the reward which you can see and touch, that is called as a tangible reward. For here I just gave example also, that is by this example you can easily understand. So first come to the point is the cash. Yes, suppose that if any person, any employee has completed his task, so company will give him that incentive, or employee gets the bonus, or the person get the extra money for that, for when he won the extra money, means all the things is what cash, means the cash you can see and touch. Is it yes or no? Yes. So the cash is you can see and touch. So cash is, that is a tangible reward. Okay. Now gifts. You completed any task and you will get, suppose that you performed in a dance and you did very well. You did very well. So the person, the organizer, he gave you gift. He gave you gift. So that gift you can see or touch or not. Can you see the gift? Yes. Can you touch that gift? Yes. So that gift is what is called as a tangible reward, because you can see that gift, you can touch that gift. That's why it is called tangible reward. Now come to the point of the certificate. Suppose that you participated in any quiz program, any quiz, any crash course you have completed, and you got the certificate as an appreciation. So that certificate, can you see that certificate? Yes, you can see the certificate. Can you see the touch? Can you touch the certificate? Yes, you can touch certificate. So that certificate is also a tangible reward. Why? This certificate you can see and touch. So the cash, gift, certificate, and all the other things which you can see and touch, these all reward comes in a tangible reward. Have you understood? Guys, if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, so please give me in comments, just write down in a comment box. I will just reply you. Okay, now come to the point is that intangible reward. Intangible reward means what? It will be just opposite to the tangible reward, means the such kind of the reward which you cannot see, which you cannot touch, which you cannot see, you cannot touch, but yes, you can feel happy. Can you see your happiness? Can you see your happiness? No. Can you see other person happiness? No. Can you touch happiness? Can you see touch other person's happiness? No. It is only feeling. So you can feel only that is, yes, you are happy. You can the person is sad. It is also that is okay. But sad is not is a reward. Means I am telling you the example. The feeling cannot see, cannot touch. So all the feeling is comes in a intangible. So here I am talking about the intangible reward. So here we just come to the point here, the intangible reward. Those reward which cannot see, which cannot touch, but we can feel, that is called as a intangible reward. So here we are just going for the example. The come to the point is the tour package. We know very well that is, if the employee has completed his task, so sometime company gives his reward, and that reward is like the tour package. Tour package means company send him in other country, means in a foreign country or in the country. Okay, so company give him tour package, means he has to go in that foreign country, he has to go in that place, he has to visit in the different places, he has to stay at a hotel in a 5-star, 3 stars, in different kinds of. The company will provide them such kind of this tour package. So the person, he will go at that place, he will enjoy his day, his holiday. So that enjoyment means what? He is happy. So means what that is? So that's happiness. Can you say, as I told you, the happiness cannot see, happiness cannot touch, but happiness you can feel the happiness. Yes. So it is the tour package or tour, you are going on the this trip. Okay, so that is a way of that. It is called as a tour package or tour. It is called as a intangible reward, where the candidate, the person, the employee, he will feel happy. So that is called as a intangible reward. Now come to the point of appreciation. Means you have completed your task successfully, very good of that. Then your boss called you in assembly, and he appreciated you. He just say to everyone that is, see, you can just learn with him. He did his job very well before the time he did the job, and then he said that his all the person, that is to his all employees, that is just make the clap for him. Okay, and all the person, they made the clap. So clapping is what? That is appreciation. Okay, then he pat on you, that is he pat on you on your back, he just patted. Okay, so means what? It is also appreciation. So what that is, by this appreciation, means by clapping, by pat, will you be happy or sad? Definitely you will be happy. And this means the appreciation cannot see, the appreciation cannot touch, but the appreciation can feel, means you will be happy, you will feel happy. So this is called as a intangible reward. And growth, definitely. Suppose that you completed your task and company gave you the promotion. You are here the executive, and then he promoted you the supervisor. Means what? The company gave you the authority. He just extended your authority. He just extended your responsibilities. Now you will be the senior of the most of the people. Okay. So this is what means. It also gives you that a courage or happiness. So the promotion, the growth, you cannot see the promotion, you cannot see it touch the promotion, but you can feel the promotion, means you are happy. So this is the promotion. Yeah, growth is also intangible rewards. Have you got this point, guys? So here I'm just going to conclude it that here we first start with the reward. Reward is a positive appreciation, that is positive, itself is a positive feeling, and it is given only those people who have completed their task in a good manner. And it is the two types of reward. There are two types of the reward. There's the tangible reward and intangible reward. Tangible reward are those reward which can see and touch. Here I gave the example of the cash, certificate, gifts which you can see and touch. And intangible reward which you cannot see, which you cannot touch, but you can feel. Yes, you will feel happy. For example, that is I give the tour package. You will go in different places. You will be very happy. So you can feel that appreciation. That's your boss is patting you. A boss is clapping, doing the clapping for you. That is, you will be happy, and then you will be promoted. These all are come in that intangible reward. I hope so you understood this topic, and it's very important for every person. So please try to understand this topic. If you have any query, please you can just go do in a comment box. I will reply you that, and I wish you good luck. Take yourself, and thanks for giving a precious time.